This video demonstrates how to use the Simplify feature in Read and Write for Google Chrome. The Simplify tool allows you to declutter web pages and simplify text. Just open the Read and Write toolbar when on the web and click the Simplify button. A new tab will open containing a decluttered version of the page. You can further summarize or shorten the text using the plus and minus buttons. You can also adjust the contrast controls and make changes to the font and spacing. The Read and Write toolbar is also available on this simplified page for reading, looking up words, and more.
Caleb Fratt greets a driver as he hauls his boat toward.
Lastly, the Discover tool helps you get background information on subtopics or terminology used in your text. Just click on an underlined word, and you'll see an image or some additional information to help with comprehension.
The zebra mussel is a small freshwater mussel.
For more information on Read and Write, visit texthelp.com.